Guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix your touchpad if it's not working. I have fixed it already, but it took me like 2 hours plus, no, 2 days plus. And I first tried to do what they call, let me go here, what you have to do first. The first step, you're going to press Fn here. You can see Fn with F what? F6. You can see this, and some of them it's at F7. But when you see this symbol is where you're gonna click. This one is also, so you click them. Okay, you press it. If it doesn't work, your touchpad, then you can I'm gonna show you the second option. So this first option didn't work for me, but the second option worked for me. Now my mouse pad is working. You can see I can do this, I can do whatever. So now I can go here and press. All works, but doesn't mean that. And sometimes if Fn plus that, the F6 doesn't work with any button which is like this, what you do, you can press this alone without F6 or whatever. You understand? So I'm gonna cancel here. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch off the PC automatically, then I'll go to BIOS. I show you what to do. Okay, you switch on the machine again. So when the machine is coming on, press F2. When you're on F2, use this arrow key to go to main. You can see when you go to main, chances are high you're gonna find your touchpad at what? At advanced. You get me? It's gonna be like this. So please make sure the LPC whatever driver is installed and all that. So if it's like that, take it out, say enter, you put it on basic. You get me? It has to be in basic. You enter. That's on in me. That's something which worked for me anyway, guys. You got to press enter there. Then you press F10 to save. F10 means saving. Press F10. It will ask you like this. What you do, you press enter. Okay. After pressing enter, your machine is gonna turn on. Okay, let's give it time. It depends on which Acer you're using, so be mindful about these buttons. You can see these buttons. Where you see that symbol with a finger and that circle with a sign that inside, that's where that is the one which helps you for mouse pad, touchpad. So let's wait. Okay, you can see mine works now, but let's do this. Also, I have issues with some buttons are not working. Also, I'm gonna fix that issue. So let me log in using external keyboard. Okay. It's a little bit slow. Okay, it's working, but I want to switch it off by using that this. I'm gonna switch it off. If I can say, let me press it. I pressed it. You can see it's not moving anymore. And so I'm trying to, it's not moving anymore. You see? So, but if I press it, you can see it doesn't move. But if I press it again, you can see you don't need FN sometimes. I pressed it again. You can see it's moving, right? Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you in this. So also, if you go to BIOS and put it in advanced, your mouse won't work. So after putting it in advanced, on basic, then bring it back. If it comes back here, you can see it's moving, it's working, everything's fine. So you don't need a FN in some cases. Then you can press here. I press that F6. Now the mouse pad doesn't work, but then you press again, then touchpad is working. You get me? You can see I'm using this, my finger, and you can see it's moving. Well, guys, I would say thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if it doesn't work, those procedures didn't work, I've just made it on Acer. I don't know other laptops, but if it doesn't work on Acer, you could as well consider going online and try to see if you can get touchpad, what we call touchpad drivers, and see if it works. If it doesn't work, you're gonna need maybe to install Windows. I don't know, if you don't have any much data on your PC. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in the next video.